Stop using Midjourney. Because this AI tool can generate images absolutely for free. Please pay attention and do not miss any step. Come to this website, then click on Get Early Access. Type in your email ID and submit. Now scroll down and click on Join Discord. Select a username for you and do the further verification steps. Now these are the basic steps you need to follow inside Discord. So, just go and verify the email. And that's it. Now, come back on the Leonardo AI and click on Launch App. Here just say, yes, I'm whitelisted. And now, log in using your Gmail. There you go. Once again select a username. You're ready to create amazing images for free. Here, you can see, you have 150 tokens. And the best thing is that, it renews every day. Now, here are the list of different sample AI models which you can explore and choose for creating images. So, I found a sample for creating logos. I'll select this. Here is the prompt used to create the logo. So copy the prompt. You can see they have used this AI model named Dreamshipper. So, click on Generate with this model. Now, just edit the prompt and put what you want. This is what I have put. Select how many images you want to create. You can see one image uses 2 tokens. Okay, now click on Generate. Wow, I like this logo. Let me try to create more 2 images. Whoa, I like this too. I'm confused now. Please help me by commenting below which logo you liked. So, you can easily create 75 images for free. And if you have multiple Google accounts, then you can get multiple access and create hundreds of images absolutely for free. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.